to change the default value inside the edit text for the age and price to, let's say, 0. For the H2 as well, we can write 0, and for the H3 also 0, and also for all the products. So we are setting the product prices to 0 as well, the default values or the display values in the edit text, or the default input values of the edit text, so it should remain their name. Only the price needs to be 0, and the price 3 should also be, we have to find it, yes, here it is, this is the price 3. Press Ctrl S, save it, go to the design, and you will see that all these values will be 0. Don't see them 0, but why? So I stop the run and let's see if it is changed now. Yeah, it's 0 now, but this is a bit displaced, so push this value back a bit so that it looks nice, and in synchronization with the rest of the values. Actually, sorry, you can push it like this, be more easier, or push it like this. Okay, so that's it. All the default values for the age and prices are 0. Now let's go back to our code, and let's say we try to now implement also the delete function, so that when we insert some values, we are able to delete a few as well. So we can now add the functionality for deleting all the records. So we have this delete all button with the set on click listener that is going to be defined here. We're going to implement it here. Let's name this delete all button to delete all records. So in this function, we'll delete the records for both the employee as well as the products. Table, why we have this error, we should click here. Okay, delete all records. We also need to change this here when we are loading the button view from the XML file. Sorry, so let's go and implement a function here. Let's say it's public void delete records function, which has no arguments. Let's open the braces, and then we can simply make it simple and add, just copy paste these lines from our upgrade function, like drop if the table exists and on create. Oh, sorry, this should be table, 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 and simply we should copy paste this here. It's going to drop both these tables and create them again. We need to create this database SQLite database object as well using this function get writable database, and that is all. This is our implementation. Press Ctrl A to select all, and then Ctrl Alt L to indent, so our function comes to the right position and everything is set. Now we can go to our database activity. In the delete all records button, set on click listener, we simply call this function with this is db handle is our object name for the database handler here. Yes, db handle. So we simply use this db handle function and call this function db handle object, and call this function db handle dot delete records, and that's it. Press tab, and that's it. Now we can run